How to fill out the tester's profile. Hello, Prime testers. Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on how to fill out your tester's profile. We'll guide you through each step to ensure your profile is complete, allowing you to start testing digital products and earn money in your spare time. So, you ready to supercharge your testing career? Let's dive into creating a killer profile that unlocks exciting testing opportunities. A complete profile is your ticket to amazing projects, so let's get started. First, sign into the Uber Testers platform and navigate to your profile section. To complete your profile, please fill in all necessary fields with the following information. Start with your personal information and add your birth date, gender, Skype ID, phone number, and lastly, your preferred communication method. Think of this as your testing passport. It helps us know you better. Now, let's continue with your location details. Tell us where you're based to match with location-specific projects. Choose your country, state, and city. In addition, don't forget to add your metropolis details. This field refers to the major city or urban area where you live. Lastly, please specify all the languages you speak fluently. You've done a fantastic job so far. Next, please provide your payment information so we can compensate you for your efforts. Add your preferred payment methods and any related ID so we can pay you on time. Immediately after that, you are asked if you will execute payment testing for our clients. This type of testing is in extremely high demand, and by agreeing to participate, you increase your chances to get testing projects fast. Once you agree, you can add the payment methods in your possession, including the following payment methods: credit card type, bank account details, e-wallet name, cryptocurrency account, if applicable, willingness to make purchases using a credit card or cash. The more methods you add, the more testing projects you'll be invited to. After adding all payment methods, click the Update button. Please note, you'll receive a 100% refund for all expenses incurred during tests. Your personal data will help our managers verify your identity and prevent any fraudulent financial transactions. Rest assured, your data is secure and will not be shared with anyone. Now, let's make it official. After filling out your payment information, proceed to review and agree to the Uber Testers Freelancer Tester Services Agreement, including the terms and conditions. Carefully read each item and check the box next to Agree after each item. At the bottom of the agreement, to validate the agreement, please enter your full name, residence address, email address, and finally, your signature. Then click the Confirm button. Finally, here's one of the most crucial steps: adding your device details to help our managers match you with appropriate projects. The more devices you add, the more testing projects you'll be invited to. Please add the device information by clicking the device model and the operating system types and versions. Once you've added all the information, press the Save button and then click on Add Devices to add more devices that you own. The more, the better. Congratulations! You've successfully completed your tester profile on the Uber Testers platform. We appreciate your dedication and attention to detail. Your efforts are essential in maintaining our high standards. Thank you once again for your commitment. Happy testing! Prime testers, prime results.